guys, and welcome back to my channel. Mariah Vita here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a tutorial on how I achieved this eye look. If you want to see the lip look, it is on my TikTok page. I'm just using the new ABH liners and lipsticks. So without further ado, if you want to see how I achieved this eye look, then definitely keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so you know the drill. So first things first, we're going to prime our lids with a base of your choice. I'm using the P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 2. Then taking Juvia's Place Warrior 2 palette, I'm going to take that medium brown tone and pop that in my crease and really feather and blend that out. And then I'm going to take the deeper brown and I'm going to use that to add some depth and dimension and darken up my crease a little bit more. Then I'm going to take the same base that I first laid down for my shadows and I'm going to cut my crease a bit. And then there's just like a light off-white color that I'm going to pop all over my lid. And then I'm going to work on reapplying those crease colors on my lid. So the dark brown and then the mid-tone brown in the middle and fade it into the white color. I'm going to do my black liner off cam and then I take this glitter and I apply it on top to add a pop of color, and this is the completed neutral eye with a pop of blue glitter. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I'll definitely see you in the next one. Bye, loves.